If your console says please install the latest system software with error code CE-107520-5, don't panic. You are just a few steps away from fixing it. Here is how to get your PS5 back in the game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are tackling PS5 Error CE-107520-5, a common issue that pops up when your system software needs an update. Let's get started. Method 1. Check your internet connection. When you encounter PS5 Error CE-107520-5 with please install the latest system software message, first check that you have a stable internet connection, then try to install the updates. First, connect the PS5 to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. Next, run an Ethernet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can restart the router or modem and your PS5 device to check if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Update the system software via internet. Once you are connected to a stable internet connection, install the updates via internet. To do so, open Settings on your PS5. Then go to System. Next, select System Software. Head to System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, click Update using the internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to install and update the software. Follow as shown to finish the process. Method 3. Update via USB. If you cannot update via internet, then update via USB. On a PC or Mac, create a folder named PS5 on a USB drive. Make sure the USB drive has been formatted as FAT32 or exFAT. Inside this folder, create another folder, then name it as Update. Now download the update file by clicking here and save it in the update folder. Name it as ps5update.pup. The link is provided in the description below, so you can copy and paste it from there. Make sure there is 1.1 GB of free space. Now plug the USB drive with the updated file into your PS5 console. Now you need to start your PS5 in safe mode. To do that, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. Select Update System Software, then Update from USB storage device, then select OK. If your PS5 console doesn't recognize the update file, check that the folder names and file names are correct. Make sure to use uppercase letters for the folder names and file name. Method 4. Sign out and sign in back into your PSN account. If you still couldn't install the updates, sign out, then sign in back to your PSN account and then install the updates. Here is how to do that. Head to PS5 settings, select Users and Accounts. Click on Other, choose Sign Out and then sign back into your PSN account. Method 5. Check for hardware issues. The next thing you should check is that there are no hardware issues that can be responsible for the problem. Ensure all cables connecting your PS5 to your TV or monitor and the router are properly plugged in and secured. Any loose connection can cause connectivity issues that can prevent the updating process. Check for any visible damage or wear on the cables. Replace if necessary. Method 6. Contact support. If the method shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation support for further assistance. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix error code CE-107520-5 and solve the server connection timeout problem on your PS5. If one of these methods worked for you, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech help. Drop a comment to share what worked for you. It might just help someone else in the community. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you in the next video.